Hi, welcome to the Bigger Brains course, Mastering PowerPoint 365 Intermediate. My name is Kathy Snizaski, and I'm a Microsoft trainer with 25 years experience helping employees be more efficient using Microsoft products. Microsoft PowerPoint is a powerful tool for creating presentations, and I'm excited to teach you to use its features. This course is intended for users who know the basic elements of PowerPoint and want to learn additional features. We'll start with modifying a presentation by using different views, adding slides, discussing design principles, and applying themes. We'll also look at how to reuse slides, find and replace information, and use search and editing tools. Next, we'll look at formatting by adding and modifying tabs, modifying spacing, creating custom backgrounds, and formatting tables. From there, we'll look at working with objects. We will create charts, add smart art, work with pictures, shapes, and text boxes. We'll also look at complex shapes and photo albums. Then we'll apply animation, customize animation, and prepare slides for presentation. In our last lessons, we'll look at ways to collaborate and deliver your presentation, including using comments, saving as a PDF, compressing pictures, and selecting different printing choices. By the end of this course, my hope is that you know how to use and customize many of the features of PowerPoint and create powerful dynamic presentations. As you go through the course, I recommend that you stop the video periodically and practice what I'm showing you. The files I'm using in the course are available to download if your platform supports them, so you can do the same activities right along with us.